I'm the Grim Reaper, and today we find out if this is the end for Moondeng. So, Moondeng's price crashed nearly 60% in a week due to this reason. Moondeng's price witnessed an impressive rally throughout September, becoming a must-watch token in the crypto space. However, towards the end of the month, the altcoin's fortune turned, and it began to have a steep decline. As of this week, Moondeng has become one of the biggest losers, with its price crashing nearly 60%. Investors are now left wondering what led to this drastic drop. The market sentiment for Moondeng has shifted sharply. After reaching an all-time high of 35 cents, investor optimism quickly faded. The weighted sentiment, which gauges overall investor mood, has turned negative, signaling reduced confidence in the token's recovery. As sentiment declines, so does the chance of a swift rebound. The decreasing enthusiasm has led to lower trading volumes, worsening the price drop. Without renewed buyer interest, the coin's recovery appears uncertain, raising further concerns among its backers. So this looks like the death of Moondeng. Alright, let's continue onward. On the technical front, Moondeng's momentum has turned decisively to the bearish side. The relative strength index has fallen below the crucial neutral line of 50, a sign that the buying pressure is weak and that bearish momentum has taken over, and I totally agree with that. So let's continue onward. The drop in RSI from bullish to bearish reflects the broader market trend for Moondeng. With the momentum favoring sellers, the coin is likely to experience more downward pressure in the near term, and I truly believe that is going to be the case. I think with this particular meme coin, it doesn't really have that it factor like Doge and Pepe. So as of right now, Moondeng price prediction: the hippo is in danger. Moondeng's price has plummeted nearly 60% over the last 7 days, currently trading at 13 cents as of making this video. The meme coin is managing to hold above the crucial support level of 12 cents, but this stability may not last long. Given the negative market sentiment and bearish technical indicators, Moondeng's price could potentially drop below 12 cents. If this support fails to hold, the meme coin will slide further, testing the next crucial support at 9 cents. People are getting tired of this stuff. You know, meme coins, like I said before, they're short-lived most of the time. So you get in and get out. You don't fall in love with any particular meme coin, all right? But let me know in the comment section below if you are buying Moondeng or if you are a long-term believer. Anyway, scared money, don't make money.